Easter special. Today we won't be baking, we'll be making delicious Easter treats. This Easter I'll be making toffee, marshmallow and Rice Krispie cakes. The ingredients are so easy. All you need is 100 grams of marshmallows, 100 grams of toffee, 100 grams of Rice Krispie and a little bit of butter. On low heat, put a little bit of butter into a pan. Next, add the marshmallows to the melted butter. My marshmallows are stuck together. Once your marshmallows have melted into a big foamy mess, add your toffee. You can either use a block of toffee or some individual toffees. When it starts to go cobwebby, you know it's done. All the toffee and marshmallow are mixed together, then turn off the heat. Pour your 100 grams of Rice Krispies into a bowl. Ask an adult to pour your gooey unicorn sludge into your Rice Krispies. It's all gooey and it's going in with the all non-gooey stuff. Stir it until it's all mixed in. Take some of your mess and put it into one of your cupcake holders. Some people might want to use chocolate and some chocolate eggs over the top, but I prefer toffee. Add enough mixture to make 16 cupcakes, but you might have even more as I ate quite a lot while making it. Put all your cakes into a basket to take to your friends and family. Perfect Easter treat. I don't know anyone who doesn't like these. Delicious. Thanks for watching and happy Easter.